So we are playing Slime Tower Tycoon. And we're just
Roblox.
in Roblox. And then now...
Also, welcome to our channel.
I love 50 subscribers so I can make a stream.
And also, if he gets 1 million subscribers, he will prove that he is a reader.
Oh, he means weirdo.
Yeah, and crazy. And he wants...
And you have to talk loud because the viewers aren't going to hear
And
you.
give 50 likes, and he'll do all of your
50 subscribers, dummy.
Yeah.
And this is the
he'll
first...
do one comments every day.
Yeah, I will. But guys, this is the first video. Why are we talking so much about subscribing, liking, and subscribing? Guys,
I can climb.
You can climb?
Look up here.
What the hell? What is going on? What?
I can't go anymore.
You can't
I
climb.
can.
Oh my god! Did you see that? I did not see. Guys,
I don't think we can go
while
anymore.
she's distracted, I'm gonna work on my slime tycoon.
Hey!
She totally should.
It's only one player and I want 2 players.
I told you not to say that.
No, you didn't.
We agreed that we're gonna. What? Where's my thingy? Is it here? Yes, sir. Guys,
Is there a place I can work at? Oh,
yes, where you spawned.
Where's
oh my
your
God, what is
place? Where's your place?
He wants to come to my place.
No, I just want to know what is yours orange?
How do you know?
No, it isn't. Or it is. Is it? Tell me.
What?
Is this your base?
I'm at my base. I see. I don't see you.
Because I want to yours is green? Again,
Yeah, mine's green.
I'm next to you. I'm also green.
What the hell? It's like, oh, guys, I can get 5 slimes. Oh my god, I got 5 slimes.
So what do you
Magic.
do?
Oh my god, I got 2 slimes.
Oh my god, I have lots of drops right now.
Oh my god, I'm getting 6 per one because
I have so much.
She's yelling because she got too much. Wait, no, I can't do codes. Deposit these slimes.
Also, no, this is mine.
Plus rate, plus 1 rate. Oh, I wasted all my money.
Wait, it doesn't show how much goes on. Oh, it does. It doesn't for me.
Does what for me?
Fine.
That's because she has to just put it there. Hey guys, she has no idea how to play the game because we just joined.
And this is a tycoon that I never played.
Yes. Why can't I measure these?
You can. You don't even have a sword or anything.
I need another.
Dumb.
I need another.
Hello. Wait, you're blue? I thought you were green as well.
I upgraded
Wait,
it.
now you're orange? I'm still green.
She's still green. She hasn't upgraded hers.
I can. I want more money. Now come here. Cook me. Cook me.
What do you?
Boil me. Boil me.
She does not know how to work.
I do. I just want more money. Money.
Alright, guys, let's see what she made.
Bro, look at this, guys. He has this one. That's like really rare. This one's a legendary one. I mean,
Whoa.
look at it. Look at it.
Damn.
He has a very... This is the guy. He's a wizard, bruh.
Rena, where's your base? Where's your base?
It's next to yours.
Oh, really? Damn.
Bruh.
Oh,
Another side.
you're not that high.
I'm on this side, you idiot.
She calls me an idiot. That means idiot.
No.
Bro, she doesn't even know how to...
I
Rena,
just started it.
you collect it, deposit, and then upgrade the rate to get more stuff, and upgrade more slime to get more slimes, and you can merge them to get better stuff.
I have 8 more money now.
That's because she doesn't play the game. Alright guys, let's go back and let's upgrade.
Let me get this
Alright guys, yes, we're back. We are
one
back.
slime. I have a new slime.
Oh my.
Wait, did I? No, I didn't.
You have to merge it. You have to click merge.
Michael.
You know you
Now I'm blue.
Deposit these slimes. I have. Oh my god!
I have blue slime.
I'm saving up for
That
this.
gives me 6 extra
Guys, I'm saving up
money.
for this. Don't tell her what I'm saving up for. She can see from my. Bro. I'm not showing her what I'm saving up for.
It's okay, I don't care. I don't care.
That's what she said.
Just sit next to
That's the
me.
worst. That's what she said, Joe.
What is that?
What is what? Damn, this is
Are
Stonehenge.
you saving up for this?
Hey, stop taking my slimes! Oh wait, can't take my slimes.
And I can't see your slimes or anything.
Yeah, I know. Wait, what if I just sit here?
Codes in my plot. What does my plot mean?
That means where your tycoon is.
Bruh. Why is it not giving me extra money?
Cause you're bad. Should I upgrade this rate?
Yes. You should.
16.
I wasted all my money. Now I have more. Merge.
She merged the first one. She got a blue slime, yo!
I already had that.
Oh, you already had.
How do I? What? I pressed array and then I pressed merge, but it didn't work. Oh, I forgot to press the one.
I'm saving up for
extra
this
slime.
plus 5. I'm saving up for the plus 5.
Merge. Why is it not merging? Green, green, merge.
Wait, guys, we can almost get it. We can almost get it. 3, 2, 1, we get it. Yo!
What did you get? You got orange?
Yay. I can't merge it. No!
Merge blue.
Plus another slime. Oh, no.
Merge blue.
Oh, my God.
This blue is not merging.
Do
Do I need to wait for them to merge or something?
I have to get 3 slimes each to merge.
Oh my god. You're not kidding.
3 of the same slime to upgrade.
I can merge. Oh, I got orange.
You got orange! The same as me!
Yo, let's go.
I need 3 milk.
Wait,
I need 3 milk in slimes and then I get straight
next
up
to me, sit
the
next
next
to
tier.
So next to me.
Oops, I accidentally got a new slime. Wait, that's good. Why am I so disappointed by that?
I have some more. Oh my god, that orange give us so much money.
That's what the point of this. Oh my god, it actually does. I'm just gonna sit here. If I just sit here. Oh my god. It's like an auto click.
I need $40 to
This is the best place to AFK if you have these much slimes.
I'm gonna merge. I mean not merge, I mean act the slime. How much money do I have?
I'm gonna upgrade this rate.
Give me.
I'm gonna camp my slimes. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna go back and
Let's
see what
see
he did.
to other people's base.
Nah,
Let's see if he's gonna get a very special one.
I'm gonna see what you got. The highest is orange. Dang.
Bro.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. Wait, let's see what her rate is. Wait, no, I can't see her rate.
My Ray.
Her rate is 8 seconds. Oh my god.
Hey, why did my money? Wait, my money was 200.
What do you mean?
I mean for the rate.
What?
For this thing.
That's right. You have to upgrade it by clicking on that. And oh my gosh, she thought she had 200 rate.
I accidentally. Oh my god, I have 500.
500 over front.
Oh my god.
I got 700. Look at that, 700. Oh my god, I'm getting so much money quickly.
I'm getting same.
Damn. I can almost get the plus 5 again.
Imagine if he gets like a very, very legendary.
That's gonna be. I'm gonna be in the hours in that game.
Oh, this one,
Because I can't spend Robux.
No,
I
not
have to be a higher
you.
YouTuber.
Not you. Sounds purple. Look at this purple.
Look at this noob.
Look at that.
Guys, 200 more, 200 more, and then I can get it. Oh my god, but I need to add more. Damn.
Where the no, boom. Skitty, look, pop, pop. Yes, yes, yes.
She meant. Oh my god, guys, we can get the +5 again. Hey Rena, you should save up for that. It really helps.
Okay.
Click on it now.
But let me get more.
Click on it. There.
Oh my god, I have 1,000.
She can get the +5. She got 5. I click merge.
Merge.
Oh my god. I can't merge. Merge it. I got 2 orange lanes. Damn.
I got 2 blues to get one more. I pressed the right button. I have 11 seconds.
I'm gonna click on this now. And then yeah. Deposit these lands, because it's called these.
Bruh, the orange really helps.
+2 rate. Give me it.
Wait, if you had 249 Robux, you could have got 75 slimes.
Damn.
Or if you had 79, you could have got 10 slimes. Or if you had 29 Robux, you could have got 3 slimes.
Hey YouTube, please make me a higher up YouTuber so I can get money and I can make better content and get like Robux and yeah. And maybe if I'm a higher enough YouTuber and get like 100k Robux, I'm gonna give Rena some.
Yes.
Ow! Stop hitting me! Stop hitting me!
He has special coins he likes.
Hey, don't, Rena. Don't. She's trying to, what you call that thingy? What you call? She's trying to leak my personal info. So that's why I leaked her name.
I'm just joking. He doesn't have any.
But they don't know what you said. Guys, I'm so close to getting this thing again. I just need more. Dun.
I think this guy's gonna get. Oh my!
What?
This guy spent his Robux to get 75 slimes. I mean, look how much he has!
Rena, they did not pay for that. They worked
No, he
hard.
didn't have that. He didn't have
Look
that.
at that. They worked hard for it. They didn't spend Robux. Well, maybe.
But actually, he did. I saw him press the Robux button.
He did? Nice.
Sorry to the viewers.
Alright, guys, look at this. Free. Wait, never mind. Oh my god, I have 1,000 slimes in my thing.
No, you don't.
Look at this, 1,000 slimes. Again.
Wait, what?
She's not upgrading her base. What is she doing?
Where's the skull?
Yes, sir.
Where's the skull?
He's yelling at me.
Because he's an idiot.
I got a purple slime.
Oh my god, I have
165 for you.
Oh my god, look how many slimes I have. So much money.
Look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? Wait, look at that. Look at this.
I can't see.
Plus 100. Look at this.
Oh.
162.
No, I'm gonna
upgrade my thingy again.
Oh my god. That scared me.
Look at that. 43 per thing. Shout out to the +5 button. Even though, subscribe to the +5 button. Just kidding, subscribe to me. And the +5 button. Guys, look at this. 40.
We're also gonna.
It has a flower on it.
We're only gonna play like 20 minutes.
No, we're not. We're gonna go higher. 30 minutes.
Then, but not too long because later we're gonna go swimming pool with it. I'm joking. We're not.
When she says I'm joking, that means she doesn't.
No, that's actually true. Did your mom go? Sorry, viewers.
Guys, subscribe. So my friend doesn't.
Oh my
leak.
god! Look at him straight like green.
Bro, that means merge. Come on, buy some more.
I need to get 1,000.
You can click on that. Like
No.
Oh, she's saving up like me. Wait, I already get it. Merge.
I'm gonna get my things from the quick array by standing here.
Guys, I'm gonna Let's see this. Well, that's happening.
Oh, I don't have enough hundreds, though.
Let's see what Rena's doing.
Oh, no.
She has 2 orange lines. Come on, hurry up. Do better.
But it's not gonna... Why is it not... Oh, I don't have enough Like, I need to get 100.
You have to put it... You have to deposit it, and then that thingy gives you money. And, the better rate, the more faster you get it.
I just need to wait until 500.
I don't even know anything in the game, and I'm the one who's telling her info.
Yeah, rebirth it.
Damn, I can see that money. Damn. I almost clicked that. I don't have Robux. No.
Yeah.
Subscribe so I can get promoted on YouTube. I love people. Deposit them splams.
Bro, I still don't...
Guys, look at this. I can get another.
I accidentally pressed... Oh! I pressed merge.
That means you get higher slimes and they give better. Guys, look
I
at this.
only have 2 blues and I'm waiting to get...
Wait, I accidentally clicked the 5 button. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get the...
I got an orange slime.
one
Yes, sir.
slime. I'm gonna get the 1 slime.
Damn, I'm getting like so much slimes.
Oh my god, same. I'm getting like so much right
She's
now.
lagging.
Yeah, sometimes my... Why am I getting it so fast?
Do this. Look at my
The
rate.
slimes are coming like so fast.
I have 61 rate. Damn.
I have 17 rates. Oh my god,
Okay.
I have 3.
You have 3,000 there. And I have 900.
Haha.
Oh my god, boo.
Well,
Well,
one who...
well, you have 0 carrying droplets.
No, I don't.
I can look at your screen right now.
What do you mean droplets? This is it.
That's droplets, and then you deposit it. Alright, guys.
Oh my god, I'm getting so much.
With some.
Next time.
Well, this is not enough. More. Give me more.
Give me more. Yeah.
Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. Bada. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Ow! They threw a coin at me. I have 1 purple, 1 orange, 2 blues. Damn.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Freedom 2.
Oh my god, I'm getting so much slimes.
It's getting times.
Can I see your base?
She wants to see my base, okay. Bada bada bada.
Bada.
Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. She did it. Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada.
Wait,
That's what
let's
she
do it
said.
again. Bada bada.
No, I clicked my. Oh my god, wait. Oh.
Bada bada. Wait, how do I say it?
Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada.
Bada bada bada.
Bada bada what? 2,000 droplets. Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. What are we doing? Alright guys, look at this.
Seriously?
I'm gonna upgrade my rank so it's faster.
What happened? Oh my god, I got a lot. Got like 1,000.
Guys,
I have purple. Andrew, I have purple.
she has a purple slime. She got the first purple
You're
slime.
right. It does give you 162.
Do you think I lie? Brr.
But you said 61 instead of 60.
I'm gonna upgrade my rate a little. 100 rate. Damn, look at that 100 rate.
Look at my 4,000.
She got. Bro, she's saving up. What are you trying to get? Wait, let's see what
Bro,
Chester.
this guy is still not getting another legendary. He needs to wait for like another hour.
What do you mean?
Look, do you see how he has that legendary one?
Yeah.
Or he needs like, that's actually the void. He still hasn't got another one, and I wanted to see what it looked like.
What?
I'm gonna sprint. Where are you?
I'm at my base.
I thought you. I couldn't see it.
Whoa. Shh. Bada bada bada. Bada bada bada. Why am I here? No. I meant to deposit it, but I clicked plus free rate. Why does it say plus free rate? It says plus. Yes, it's still videoing. He doesn't know when we're videoing. Damn.
I got a purple. You know this? Anti-toxic.
What? Guys, I see our base.
Look, it has me on it. That's actually my character on it.
Bo. You just have this? Come on, upgrade your slimes. Upgrade them slimes.
Wait, I thought you said you can't see it.
I can see the slimes, but not the slime balls.
Oh no. I accidentally pulled my charger off.
Oh my god. I got 800 per cent. Never mind. I get 100. I thought I saw. She wants me to help her. 1 second.
The charger.
But, Rena, you're going out too far. Bless you.
Ew.
Charge.
Yuck.
I
Disgusting.
don't know if it's charging or not, but yeah, it should be. I got. Oh my god, but what happened? Okay, guys, time to get more slimes. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna leave. Bye. Just kidding. Nah, got him. Damn, I'm getting too much. I got 3,000 by just leaving for 2 minutes. I got 3,500 for just leaving for like 2 minutes.
Oh my god, I have 4,000. And look how much slimes I have.
How much money you have?
4,000.
I have 5,000. Time to get 5 plus 5 flames. Dang!
That's a lot of money.
For someone like you. Oh!
That's a lot of money.
Wait, I can almost get another tier. Oh my god!
What a shame, just when love was a snake.
Hey, no copyrighted music. No copyrighted music. What are you doing? Rena, I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get banned from YouTube for copyright.
Sorry, I just like singing it. He doesn't let me.
Yeah, because I'm gonna get demonetized. Now she's singing about demonetized. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. I got my friend here vomiting out from her song.
I have 5,000.
Look at that drip. He got the drip.
Oh my god. I have the orange. I have one orange.
What is she saying? I can almost get another tier. Damn.
This is so much money right now.
Money.
What the? How did I get up there?
Another merge. I got two purple slimes. Ooh.
Fair.
Nothing's fair in life.
I have 7,000. Wait.
I got 2 purple slimes and 2 and
How much
1
rate
blue.
do you have?
What?
How much rates do you have?
What do you mean? I have 133 rate.
Bruh, I have 7,000.
Stop the cat.
No, seriously. I have 10,000.
That's how much slime do you put in? I'm talking. You said rate. I got 0 slimes in.
Look how much I have.
Stop the cat.
I have 10,000, guys. Believe me.
Guys, what's her rate?
My rate's 90 seconds.
Bro, I got 133 per second.
It's because I... Oh my god.
You stupid.
You're stupid.
Stupid. Okay.
Stupid.
I'm gonna get demonetized. demonetized even though you can't see me.
I'm gonna get demonetized even though I don't see me.
Stop hitting me.
Stop hitting me.
Alright, you can copy me, but don't hit me.
Alright, you can copy me, but don't hit me.
I'm loser.
Don't.
Got you.
You're a loser.
She almost said it.
You're an idiot.
Like you.
Edie. Edie. His name is Edie.
Can you stop kicking me?
I'm not. Everybody's kicking me. I'm gonna get monetized.
You don't even have a YouTube channel. Alright, guys, look at this. By the time I get... Man, look at these tears.
What is slime tears?
Oh my god! The dude has the 8 tier. What's the last tier?
Wait, well, what?
The last tier is the Void Cosmic. Rena, come here. Let's see what you have. You got purple slime and orange and blue and 2 greens. Look at what I have. Look what I have.
I know what you have. I also
No,
know it.
you didn't see it. Look.
Yes, I did.
Look again.
Yes, you just merged it. You have 1 purple, 1 orange.
What do you mean? I have 2 purples.
No, you don't.
She can't see.
Oh, whoops. I was in the corner. That's why. Okay.
2. 4, right? Damn.
I have 6,000.
Stop the cap. She does not have 6,000 rate. She has 6,000 droplet.
I mean the...
Droplet.
Look on my board. 1 slime.
Let's see her board.
I have 1 green slime, I think. No, I don't. Oh my god! Oh my god! My thing is full. Come look at it.
Show me. Damn! It's overfull, like over here.
Serve him.
I can't show. Oh no! I accidentally clicked +1 slime.
Bruh.
I think I get 2 slimes.
I'm
2
gonna
blue
get
slimes.
it.
Get what these nuts?
I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, there's a lot of it. A lot.
Let's see what you got.
I got the slimes. I have 6,000 money.
She got 6,000 money.
Yeah, I've been saving
Wait,
up.
mana.
I've been I'm gonna wait until I have 1. I have 20,000.
Bro, my slimes are not going where you
I'm
were.
gonna wait until 20,000 money.
She's waiting for 20,000 money. Oh wait, I can get. Nah, guys, what should I get? +5 slimes or more
+5.
rare? I'm going red because you said that.
+5.
So,
How much rights do you have?
Mom, I'm recording.
So like, wait, did you call her or was it?
No,
with
it was the camera.
Yeah. It was
Hey, stop saying what my mom uses. Where's it gone?
How much how much drops do you have?
Carrying or just there?
This, I don't know how to say it.
Like, am I carrying it or like we're in the pot?
In the pot.
On 0. I'm carrying 9,000.
I have 13,000 drops.
Stop the cap.
Now I have 12. Let's look at the drops.
She keeps on hugging all of my fingers and putting it in.
Oh no!
I almost have plus 200.
Oh my god, I have.
Why did I click that?
Right
I meant to
now.
click this.
Bro, I have lost. Oh my god. Yeah, when I collect this, I'm gonna wait until I get it overfilled, slimes. I have 10,000, I just need another 10,000. I still have the pearls. Highest turf. You know the board is like very... Bro, this guy is a new... He's not is he? He's not in that.
Plus 5 slimes.
Bro,
2.
to get the void is 8. You need to be 8 on the thing. The 8.
I know. I need. It's 4 times from what I have.
Bro, I have 4. I just need 4 more.
Look at my slams. 2. I got the best slams. Bless you. Alright, guys, time to deposit 5,000 slimes. 2. And let's do this. 2. Alright, I can just go in. Time to save up for another 5. And I'm gonna wait. Can you even get it from here? Oh my god! My fishies. Oh yeah, one of my pet fishes died. I'm really sad about it. And she keeps on laughing, and she's like, "What? I don't remember having a fish." Guys, what? Can you tell them what? One of them died.
Yeah, one of his fish.
And I don't like talking about it, so don't talk about it. It's on my Discord profile.
I'm waiting for my slum to get over. I have 13,000.
Damn, look at all these
I
numbers.
have 13,000 money.
13,000 money?
Yeah, I'm telling the truth this time. Look at my truth.
Oh, so you telling the truth now? Oh, so you want me to steal your
I
number?
mean, I actually have money
Two.
in the Robux game.
So...
Look how much.
Wait, guys, look at this.
Look how much I got. I have 13,000.
Guys, look at this. 3, 2, 1.
What? Oh,
Rena, come to my thing.
I know you have a second.
No, Rena, come here. 3 green slimes, 2 blue slimes, 2 orange slimes, and 2 purples. Come here. 3.
No, you have
2.
4 greens.
Oh my god.
Look
3.
up.
Oh my, I did not see that. Alright, guys. 3, 2, 1, merge. I got a
You got the rare one. He has.
I got a Crispim slime. 810. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get that. Okay. I'm gonna still wait until 20,000. I just need 5 more. Bro, my drops are 6,000.
I can see what you have. Let's see. Does she have a
Oh
Christmas
my
slime?
god, my slimes are overfilled again. Time to get them. Oh, what? When I get them, like bunch of bubbles.
That's what the point of the slime is. I'm gonna steal your slime. I'm stealing your
I
slimes.
already got it. No, you
I'm stealing your
can't
slime. I'm stealing your
No, you
slimes.
can't.
Yes, I am.
It isn't still.
I totally can see them. I can totally see them.
No, you can't.
You should upgrade your rate. It's actually good, so you get money faster.
How much rate do I have?
I have no idea. It doesn't show you. It doesn't show me, but it shows you. Show me.
31. I'm saving up.
She has 31 rate. Oh my god, bro.
I'm saving up.
I have better stuff than her, and she's getting more money than me. Makes no
Yes,
sense.
I can do more merge.
Wait, let's see what the duty have to do.
I mean more slime.
Alright. Let's see him.
Wait,
Is that the next one?
dude, that's still the void.
There's a tear in the middle of it. He has 2 crimson slimes.
I don't. Oh, someone else has